Headings in your text serve as signposts, guiding readers through your content. They allow users to quickly scan and understand the structure of your text, improving readability. For individuals using screen readers, headings provide essential navigation cues, enhancing accessibility. Moreover, search engines use headings to understand the hierarchy and structure of your content, which is good for SEO. It's crucial to use headings in the right order. Start with a single H1 tag for your main title, followed by H2 tags for the sections below that, H3 for subsections within those sections, and so on. This logical structure helps search engines and users understand the relationship between different parts of your content. Including your key phrase in some of your headings can boost your SEO, but don't force anything. Ensure that the key phrase fits smoothly within the heading and still reflects the content of the section. Overstuffing or forcing key phrases disrupts readability and is not enjoyable for the user. By using headings properly, you improve your website's accessibility and SEO. Remember to structure them properly and incorporate your key phrase naturally.